How to make address bar position and stop on a Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make uh, address bar position and stop on Samsung internet browser. First thing, open the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner and scroll down. Here you will find layout and menu, click on it, and then all you need to do is just select top, and as you see top have been selected. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.